Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the DNB account locked error. First, you'll have to understand that this usually happens after entering the long details multiple times. Wait for a few minutes and try logging in again with the correct details. If you've forgotten your password, use the option in the DNB bank to reset your password, then create a new one. Also, make sure that you're entering the information curve carefully to avoid another temporary log. If your account remains locked, contact the DNB sub customer support. They may ask for identity verification to unlock your account. That's how you fix the DNB locked account log. Subscribe for more.